Guys, last day when I checked my CPU, it was not turning on. Now all you have to do is to unscrew the UPS and take this car off, and you just have to disconnect the battery. And you must clean the inside of the CPU to clear off the leak fluid. Now just replace it with a new battery. Now just insert the cords. Make sure that the red one goes to the red terminal, which is the positive of the battery, and connect the other one to the black terminal. Now it's time to switch it on, and there it comes to life.